People just think that it's just art, it's just a painting. What efforts will it take? What work will it take? But it's more than any field that requires. It takes more of concentration, hard work, sleepless nights, assignments, everything.
Hi Ritika, it's
Hi, sir.
myself Harish Dayihande from Harshat Creation. So basically हम कुछ वीडियोस बना रहे हैं जो कि स्टूडेंट आर्ट फील्ड में कुछ कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ा कुछ कर रहे हैं या फ्यूचर में आर्टिस्ट बनने वाले हैं। तो ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स के हम लोग अभी कुछ शॉर्ट वीडियोस हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं। सो दिस इज़ अ लाइव राइट नाउ। सो रुतिका पहाड़े हमारे साथ है जो आर्ट कॉलेज में वो खुद अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे, दैट विल बी द ग्रेट थिंग। रुतिका प्लीज।
Hi, I'm Ritika Pahade. I study at Srishti Institute of Art Design and Technology, which is in Bangalore. And I am studying contemporary art practices, which comes under fine arts. And it's pretty good since last 2 years. I'm in my second year right now.
I have seen her work. She's going to show her recent artworks also. So basically you bought and born where?
I'm from Aurangabad itself. All my family has been in Aurangabad since, as I know, it has been. And like all of my cousins and everybody has gone out for studying. So even I came out of Aurangabad for studying as well.
Okay,
And Bangalore has given me a lot of exposure in art field as compared to I was in Aurangabad. It had helped me change my concepts, my techniques of working, and my execution in my artworks, which turned into a good result.
oh that's great.
Yeah.
So you are doing contemporary. It's a 4-year degree course, right?
Yes.
And it includes so many things. I heard about it that we'll discuss later, but we'll start from the journey from your childhood, like you're doing artworks from childhood, or suddenly after 10th 11th you got more interest in that. How it happened, like exactly what's your childhood journey?
In during my school days, I used to participate in extra curricular activities which had inter-school competitions, mainly artworks itself. And my first class was with you when you used to come home and teach.
I know.
But it started from there. I developed interest in it. I learned a lot in school itself, and I did not have a particular class for learning drawing and painting. But after 10th, I decided I want to pursue my career in that field itself, and then I took professional coaching, which guided me a lot and helped me, and like my things which I thought were different were, I can say, got even better. But yeah.
That's great. So basically you're doing some art related competition or artworks right from the childhood, right? So,
Yeah.
any incident where exactly you took the decision to go in art college? Any something happened or somebody guide you, or what exactly? Any incident you would like to share with us?
Yeah, I'd like to. So, like, since from school, I was divided between sports and arts. Like, for me, basketball and arts were at the same page. But after 11th standard, I had to make a decision so that I can get the career that I want to do it in. So, that was the moment that I decided what
But
I want to do.
I heard that you were the basketball player for state level. You played, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so but still, how you choose the art field, go in a art field instead of sports career and all?
Like, I knew there was more scope of me improving in arts.
Okay.
Sports was something that I chose not to because art helped me in a very therapeutic way in that time of my life. So that was, I think I made the right decision for myself going in arts field.
That's great. But I hope you still play the basketball,
Yes,
right?
I'm in my college team. It's great that way.
Great, great. So, what was the parents' role while taking this decision? Like,
Uh,
because I know the college fee structure also, and the child who was from like child, you were in Aurangabad with parents only, right? You never stay away from them, and
Yeah.
suddenly you want to go not only the city but out of the state, right? So Bangalore, you are learning, you're in college. So what was the parents' role behind all this?
So basically, all my cousins are either in engineering field or some technical field. So there was nobody who was towards art in my house. They had a hard time understanding what it's gonna take to send a child to an art school and how the consequences will be.
Right.
But never stopped me from doing what I want, and they supported me throughout. Yes, there were difficulties in convincing going out of the state, but after they've been seeing my work since 2 years, they've been really happy with what I've created here and how my progress has been since my first year and my second year in college. So I think they feel it was the right decision to me to send here.
That's great. So
Yeah.
if you choose a different field, that was the great thing. But one more, I want to go in more details. Like maximum student nowadays choose for a doctor, engineer, like medical engineering field, or some other profession like lawyer or some other things, right? So and
Yeah.
some does the MBAs and or take over the family business. Even you have a big family business, right? So, but from all these circumference, even so many students, lakhs of students nowadays in India, those are not aware about all this field, and they studies for MPSC competitive exam basically,
Yeah.
right? But from all this circumference, how you come out towards exactly art field that will help you in the future for financially also. That's also important part for the family also and for us also, right? Are doing something like this. So how you decide and take a step and finalize this thing that this field is going to help me?
I was about to join college. We had a session with the faculty that what is after, like what's gonna be after we finish our degrees. So they told that students will have their own way through it since, like from the first year till the fourth year, they will guide the students so that they can eventually decide for themselves that where they want to work
Okay.
and how it will be. And in our third year, we have internships as well, which are through college, which helps us to explore more areas and which helps us guide a lot during what we want to do in the future. And also towards work, I feel it's just like for me in my degree, what I'm doing, contemporary arts is a very open and wide field where I can go from product designing to fabric, textiles, industrial painting, like old school paintings and everything, to modern art. Basically, it covers every field that is there in arts and design.
Okay.
So it's a very open plate to where I want to work.
So for masters, you need to choose the field, right?
No, like yes, for masters we need a specialization, but for the current this thing we don't have any particular learning.
You have to study all together, right?
Yeah,
Not
we have to
one.
ourselves basically. It's
Okay.
about they'll give us every information that we need. It's on us. We have to do it on the basic level or do it take it to extremes.
Okay. So right now, you have some particular subject must be, right? Can you elaborate the syllabus, what you are studying right now, or your artworks? Can you tell how you create the artworks? What's your thought process behind any final outcome?
Yeah, so I'll just take an example.
Example, yeah. That would
Yes,
be
I'll take
better.
my class. It's called the class was an artist's book. So basically, we had to create a whole concept around a book that has only painted images in it
Okay.
and what thought processes are. And it's all abstract. So, what I'd be sending photos and PDFs
Yeah,
that are.
we'll add.
So, in those, I had created blue patches, which was just different shades of blues and blacks, and that was converted into a book.
Okay.
And for me it was all water and free, and dark, those words were related for me in that book. But for other people, it was very bright, and it's basically how concepts have been created, how an individual thinks about it, and how in a group the interpretation has been taken out.
Okay, that's great.
So that difference was very huge for me, where I thought my work was this, but then when others saw my work can also be that, that was a very big step for, like, widening my thought process and my area of like thinking what I am making.
Oh,
Yeah. So, and another example was, so one project was to create a cover for a book. The book could be anything, it could be just folded newspapers for all he cared about. And he just wanted the concept. So, if I had a history book, I was not good at history when I was a kid. So, I had just nailed it down on a cardboard or a thermocol or whatever.
okay,
So the nails are my feelings towards the book and how it affected my life. So the cover was the nails, which had the whole concept under how I feel about the book.
okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Would like to see
that,
that all work actually. We'll definitely add in video while editing.
yes.
Yes, yes. So
So
that's the great. That's the way you are learning right now, right?
it's totally different from how I used to do all my artworks in my back in town, but it's been strong more conceptually here. So
But
it's,
the basic syllabus, you learn the different skills, like right from the color pencil, normal pencil
yeah.
shading, acrylic color on canvas. I know you were doing all these things, right?
Yes,
Before
I
joining the
was.
college. Those are helping right now in your current education anymore?
Yeah, they are, because if you have a particular skill set, they really help in doing your work. So I knew a little bit about watercolors. So the artist book that I made with the shades of blues and black were from watercolors itself. I
Okay.
was able to create textures by it because I knew I had done that before.
Mm,
So a particular skill set, if you turn it where it's way around, it really helps in an assignment.
that's great. So means you are using those learned skill right now in your
Yes.
education, right? So those are helpful.
Yes.
Yes, great. So another question, what's your plan for the future? Like exactly what you are going, what you are seeing yourself after 2, 3, 4, 5 years, like.
So basically, I haven't exactly come up to a point where I've decided that what I want to do, because I still have to
But
learn a lot of things and
rough
explore.
plannings, some,
Yes, I
yes,
have.
everyone has that, I know. Because why I'm asking this question, because this thing will help the next generation. Those are planning to go for this kind of colleges, and they don't know what will be there after 5 years or 7 years. So, what's your perception right now? What's your planning right now for all this?
So, like one thing I'd want to say that if you're in whatever year or whatever art school you're studying in, if you have any internships in your hand, don't let it go by. Just take them and work because they help a lot and they give you an experience of work. I feel for future, I've been wanting to do my masters as well. I've not decided where and what specializations I'd be doing, but I surely want to study more in this field. And the work related stuff, I think work in many places. I can freelance if I want. I can work under some company which has more of designing work, like blogs, not blogs particularly, but they have a lot of graphics related work from day to day. That is one of the things. In the initial stage, I don't think there's a lot of earning, but if you have a lot of experience, because in this field everybody asks for experience, at least for 1 or 2 years they need
Right.
experience for every basic thing.
If you want to do
So
job, then only, right? If you want to do
yeah,
freelance, there will be the while doing work, you'll get the experience.
yeah, exactly. So even if so, there was this company where I thought of getting in, but they again wanted experiences, and I did not have that in my CV or portfolio, whatever you can call it.
Okay.
So I wasn't able to join it, but it was some work that I could do, and I knew I would able to, but that I couldn't do. So that was my first suggestion: just take internships or any job that you get.
Okay, great.
That's really helpful in the future.
And the third thing is like how much like, roughly people earn from this field after completing while they doing the freelancing or a job. How much is the potential of field? Like
In
rough
freelancing,
figures,
it's
like uh,
yeah. In freelancing, it's according to the artwork or what projects they've been given, and it really depends on the client. If the client is good enough to pay you a lot,
so
it
approximately any
is
artist
great.
who is doing from your field, like how much they are earning or how much they are doing great things.
So
So
my
you we can
seniors have
judge
been
approximately.
yeah. So my seniors have been working around a lot of places. They get a good amount of money, as in for a start. I think they got some 20 to 25,000
Okay,
after graduation itself.
okay.
So I know it's a little less, but ex- you need experience to
But
get
after 4 5 years
in a good
of
job.
experience, and the person is really dedicated while doing the college studies, and after college also while doing the work, they are very sincere. So, what is the potential for them? Like, is it? I'm just trying to compare with other courses for like medical or engineering field. Are
Yeah.
they worth this much right now?
See, the work pay and the work actually is not that much right now, but I think it's a growing stage for design and art schools here. So I think for after 2 3 years, 4 5 years, probably there'll be a increment in the salaries or pays or whatever. But right now it's
Okay.
quite less as the work we do for the client. But I hope it will get better. And after 4 5 years of experience, I think they get a good amount of money because they are well known around the area and they know what they do. So it's good for them.
Great. So right now you are very enjoying your artworks and studies and all, right?
Yes.
Happy soul.
Yes.
So anything you'd like to share for next generation, next students, why they choose the field and all? You already shared lots, but the last takeaways from this video
No, I
for
just want to
viewers.
say that people usually take art as an hobby and not as their career or profession. And I took the step and I am loving it right now. So I just say that do what they want to. And who were in other fields, there are people who were from engineering fields as well who came to Srishti after taking 2 years of gap and everything. So they end up eventually doing what they want to do and not under any pressure of going into engineering or medical or anything. It's gonna pay you the same, it's gonna take time, but it will make everything okay. So it's just that if you're not happy doing your work, then why would you want to?
Exactly.
So even if I am doing my assignments, it is a lot of hard work that goes in, but the results that I'm seeing is it all pays off.
So it means you want
So
to say like the same study, that much efforts we have to take, those medical or engineering students are taking, right?
yeah, people think that it's easy, but
Easy.
it's not really. You have to research a lot. You have to know about every painting that exists around, every sculpture that has been done, every product that has been designed. So it takes more than studying. It takes more of research. It's
Great,
really a
great.
lot of
Student
work.
has to take this field seriously, and they should choose this as art field as a career. There are many options, right?
I mean, I
Uh,
would encourage them to take it because I feel so. I was confused between sports and arts, but I went into arts because I knew I had the potential and I could make something for me out of it. And I don't want people to think of themselves as less because they're doing arts, because it's they people just think that it's just art, it's just a painting. What efforts will it take? What work will it take? But it's more than any field that requires. It takes more of concentration, hard work, sleepless nights, assignments, everything.
Yeah, right. I can understand.
Yeah,
The artist can easily relate what you are trying to say.
yeah.
So that was a great conversation, Rutika. Hope so. This is going to help for many people. And please share your artwork soon.
Yes, definitely.
Is there any Insta page, website, Facebook page you are creating your artwork and posting over that you would like to share over here?
Yeah, I have my Instagram page, which is linked to my Facebook, so they can see my work both on both sides.
Okay.
And available under the name called My Art Lies Within.
My art lives within, right?
Yeah,
So please,
yeah.
people, check out the artworks which Rutika has made, and she's going to be a great artist in future. So follow her right now from today. So anything else, Rutika, would like to share?
I just want to say, just do your work, paint, create, be happy,
Great. Thank
and
you so
stay safe.
much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Rutika. It's a pleasure talking with you, and you really shared a lots of great thoughts and your journey to us. Thank you so much. Thank you again. See you.
Yeah,
Yeah. Bye.
bye.